In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to trim and remove segments in Submagic C. We'll start by heading to Submagic C and opening your project. Once your media loads, you'll see the main workspace with your video preview and the editing area. Trimming is a simple but powerful way to clean up your content, perfect for cutting out pauses, stumbles, or any moments that don't add value, so you end up with a tighter, more engaging video. Next, go to the Trim tab. This is the dedicated area for making precise cuts. Look for the tab labeled Trim in the Editor. When you're there, you'll notice that the primary cutting tools become clearly available, so you can focus on refining your footage without distractions. Now use the timeline to find the exact section you want to remove. The timeline runs along the bottom and shows your clips in order, often with waveforms that make it easier to spot silences or peaks. Drag the playhead to the moment where you want to make the cut. If you need precision, zoom in on the timeline so each small movement equals fewer frames. Scrubbing slowly can help you land on the exact frame, and watching the waveform can guide you to natural breaks in speech or action. Take a moment to play and replay around the area so you're confident about your in and out points. When you're ready, click the split icon to cut the clip into two parts at the playhead. The icon typically looks like a pair of scissors or a razor. You'll see your single clip become two segments, which confirms the cut. Move the playhead to the end of the portion you want to remove and click split again. You've now isolated the unwanted section between two clean boundaries while keeping the rest of your footage intact. Then delete the portion you want to remove. Select that middle segment and remove it. If a gap appears, that's expected. Your unwanted material is gone. Play across the edit to check how it feels. Listen for a smooth transition and look for any visual jump that might need tightening. If it doesn't feel right, simply undo, nudge your playhead to a better frame, split again, and delete until you're happy with the result. And that's it. Open your project in Submagic C, go to the Trim tab, use the timeline to locate your moment, click Split to create clean cut points, and delete the section you don't need. With a bit of practice, you'll trim confidently and keep only your best moments.